Yes.
Oh, okay. Hello, class. We're the second group, and we did auditory memory. So the fact of remembering something by just listening to it. And we have 20 items that we have to name off. And after naming the 20 items, the patient has to try to name as much as possible as they remember. So now we have our OTA, Onika, and our patient, Felicia. At first, when we first did it, Felicia had 8 out of 20 words that she could remember. After discussing it on a group matter, we came up with different strategies. The first one was, make vocabulary words applicable to the patient. So for example, don't ask somebody that's never worked with cars to name off things with cars. Try to take something that the patient has interest in, so that it's relevant to them, interesting, and really something that they should know, basically. Another strategy we have was to tell us to divide the words up. So instead of listing the whole 20 words, maybe name 4 at a time, ask them to repeat them, and then continue on. Also, we can ask them to visualize as we say the word, ask them to picture the item in their head. Another method is by grouping. So as you're listening to the 20 words, try to either put them alphabetically or location-wise. If you're trying to remember names of cities, try to group them from where they are around. So for example, I'm talking about cities from Toronto, put everything from the east together, the west together, and so on. And another method, to try to use our other senses involved. So either by mouthing it, fake writing it on our hands, or we even thought of you can use your body parts and name them, saying this is a card, this is a paper, whatever object that we're naming, try to associate it with a body part. Obviously be in an environment that has the less noise as possible, like we are in right now. And it's very important to face the client so that the client can not only hear you but read your lips. So now we have our scenario where the OTA will give the activity to our patient.
Our topic today is going to be electronics. Now, Felicia, what I want you to do is I'm going to actually call 3 at a time and slowly have you repeat them in your head. I know that you're a visual learner as well, so you can kind of imagine or picture each item inside your brain, inside your mind. And try to also think that all of these items are in your house. Okay? This should help you to remember when looking, okay, in my living room there's this, this, and this. Alright? So, calculator, stereo, computer, okay, toaster, TV, MP3, laptop, stove, DVD player, iPod, camcorder, microwave, digital camera, CD player, VCR, coffee maker, cell phone, phone, thermostat, and a Nintendo.
Okay.
So, go ahead.
Thermostat, Nintendo, computer, laptop, calculator, VCR, iPod, that computer, laptop, DVD player, phone, cell phone,
Remember the tips that I gave you to also look at each room to remember. So
that's it.
that's it.
How many did you get?
So you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 now.
Yay!